There is a number that predicts whether a relationship survives. Researchers found it by watching couples argue. The number is 5 to 1. Here's the story. A psychologist named John Gottman spent years watching couples in his lab, arguing, chatting, being bored together. And he got scarily good at predicting who would still be together years later. One of the strongest signals was a simple ratio. In stable, happy couples, for every one negative interaction, there were about 5 positive ones. 5 to 1. Couples who drifted toward 1 to 1, heading for the exit, even if that one negative was small. Why 5, not 1? Because negativity is heavy. One criticism does not cancel one compliment. Our brains weigh bad moments several times heavier than good ones. It is the same negativity bias that makes one rude comment ruin a day of nice ones. So a relationship cannot just be fine on average. The math demands a surplus. Here is the good news. The 5 do not need to be grand. Gottman's positives are almost embarrassingly small. Actually looking up when they talk. Thanks for making coffee. Laughing at the joke. A hand on the shoulder while passing. Asking, how did that meeting go? And listening to the answer. Deposits. Tiny, boring, constant deposits. And this ratio quietly runs everything. Friendships, teams, even how you talk to your kids. A friendship that is all venting and no joy is running a deficit. A boss who only speaks up when something is wrong is bankrupting the account. So today, audit one relationship that matters. Rough count, last week, deposits versus withdrawals. If the math looks thin, do not schedule a big talk. Just start depositing. 5 small, real, daily positives. Relationships do not die from one fight. They starve from missing deposits. Here is a deposit. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, and it is 5 to 1 already. See you in the next scribble.